Okay, Maulik sa naton medyo pa ako na punitun ogaan ginig Unibetsedat Guahan. Bienvenido para todos siya itautunod ni Marianas ni Manmato. Dongkulo na kanay para siya, por favor. Jan bonito kanta niya, parewa Fino CHamoru dan Fino Refalawas. Lo ti todos am tumungo Fino Refalawas bena repara ha. On behalf of the University of Guam, this is one of our very, very special, if not the most special events that we have every year, and that is, of course, we're celebrating Charter Day. More importantly, enveloped inside Charter Day is the Inacha'igen Fino CHamoru, parewa gibaila, jani kanta, jani todo siya ipinenta, gigisantate. We are at the University of Guam. We've started a Chamorro Studies program. It's the only Chamorro Studies program in the world. And I want to talk a little bit about how serious that is. Because sometimes when we get involved in these activities of Chamorro competition and trying to provide evidence of our existence as a people for many thousands of years, sometimes people treat it as just some kind of activity. You know, it's either I do this or I go for soccer, or I do this or I go for baseball. This is not just some kind of activity to keep the kids busy. This is the single most important contribution we can make to the continuity of a great people that is stressed right now. It's under stress. Jangan sige tu Fino CHamoru 10% kita hamzo tumunga ko sa sangan. Tagof na pinitino para guaho. Guaho ni dumangkulo gyalo mi lingwahe. Jan guaho ni hutungo esti siya na palabra na kada ba hungok patgon patno ni dikikya ni hatungo Fino CHamoru agof patsay corazon ho. Lo debi di ordinaryo hano. It should be an ordinary day-to-day experience, but we're not there yet. So this activity is not just a make-do activity. It is the single most important contribution you can make to the continuity of a great people. So as we celebrate that, as we acknowledge that, as we make our contribution, we should invite people. We should envelop people. We should make them feel comfortable in the lap of Chamorro culture and in the words of the Chamorro language. This is a solemn event and a solemn commitment that I made about being president of the University of Guam. Who are involved with us in this.